Today, my video is from two of my playlists. One is how to make money online, and other is freelancing series. Today, I wanted to tell you about 5 Fiverr gigs which requires no experience, no expertise, and zero knowledge of freelancing, and still you can make and earn money through online using those skills. These are relatively easy. All what is required from you is consistency and be patient, and you will be able to work online and make money through it. So let's get started on this. I will show you the gigs example, what how they are working at the moment, like how many sales they are generating on Fiverr at the moment, and how you can do those skills and repeat the formula and make money online through that. So let's get started with it. Let me okay so let me make so let's move on here, and the first skill I want to tell you is about MP4 to MP3 converter. Okay, you can see here that people are offering different service. I will convert your video from MP4 to MP3, MP4 to MP3, and there is another skill, but let me show you first best selling ones and you will have an idea on. Okay, you can see audio to video upload on YouTube 193 for likes, and another is PDF to PPT, and you can see here 18 reviews, 137, 233, 14, so 198, 29, 6. I mean, people are charging 170, 40, $35 for this. So all you have to do is you have to search on Google for PDF to PPT converter. Even I have used one. You can use it and convert for free, and there are many tools available online. All you have to do is, like online to pdf.com. I was also using this website for this purpose. So you can, and for the MP4 to MP3, just search on MP4 to MP3 converters and you will find. This was I was using it, but okay, this is MP4 to MP3. Okay, you can see there are many tools available through which you can do that. Okay, this skill is very easy and anyone can do it, and you can earn good money through that. My second tool will be removing background image. That is a very good thing, and I mean, that is actually a very good feature function, and I will show you first. Like, many people are looking to get their background removed from the images because they want to use it in another picture. So you can see here 1k plus reviews, 900, 1k, and it is very easy. I personally use this website. It is known as removebackground.bg, but let me see. Yeah, remove.bg. That is a free website. I will have to upload an image and it will be shown. For instance, if I open my Facebook profile and download my image and edit it in front of you. For instance, this is my picture. I don't know, this is not working. For instance, let's say I search for Joy Button. Okay. For instance, if I have to remove a background of this picture, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download this first. So once I have downloaded this picture, I have to go to the remove.bg website, and I have to upload that image here. Let me show you the original image as well, so you don't forget. Okay, this was an original image with America flag, United States flag behind the picture, and now you can see the background is removed. As I showed you on Fiverr, that many people are looking for this service and many people opt to buy this service, so this can also be a good combination for that. Number third is commenting on blogs, and let me show you. For instance, if you go on Fiverr again and search for blog commenting, you will see 60-30. Many people are selling backlinks, and that is a service huge in demand, because if you are able to get good amount of backlinks, this will help you in increasing your website presence over search engine, improving your search engine ranking. So let's say if I have to do a comment on my blog, I will go towards my blog, open my blog for you, and then anyone can comment because I am logged in my account. But in case if I am not logged in my account, anyone can do a comment with their website, and this will add a comment on my website, which will give a positive backlink for the one who is making comments, and that is how you can build comments for someone by doing comments on relevant blogs. For instance, if I get a client of a health niche, so I can do like write on Google like this way. If I open Google health blogs, and I will find many health blogs over here where I can comment. If I get a client for a weight loss, I can write here weight loss blogs, and I can get many blogs here for this. If I have a client for business of plumber, I can write business plumber blogs, and I will find many blogs relevant to it. 100 best plumbing blogs and website to follow. That is how I can do blog commenting and provide that service for people. Number fourth is about creating thumbnails. Thumbnails are for Facebook and YouTube, and that is also a huge demand service, because with ever increasing vloggers just like me, who is actually creating a video for you, there are many people who are starting their YouTube channel today, or those who are already running their YouTube channel and are looking for good images, good thumbnails with their videos, are searching on Fiverr for a person who can design it good. Again, this skill does not require a skill. Let me tell you how. First, let's see YouTube thumbnail. You can see huge demand service. Many people are looking for it. What you have to do is go to Canva. Canva is an open tool, free tool, and I create my thumbnails through it. So go here, there is a thing YouTube thumbnail, just click it. And you can create your own thumbnail for anyone. You can see if I write weight loss, I will get many free designs to it, and I can create a video based on it. So these are all free thumbnails. So all you have to do is you have to change it and edit it as per the client by client demand, and you can do that. And again, this is a service huge in demand. People are looking for this service, and this method actually can bring thousands of dollars for you if you do it right. My next method is about Fiverr Arbitrage with Upwork. I mean, you may be surprised because this can be a little tricky, but it is a very easy. Again, it does not require any skill, but you need to have a focus and consistent, and you can earn money. So what is arbitrage? Arbitrage is basically buying service from somewhere for cheaper and selling on at somewhere at higher price. So what we are going to do with Fiverr Arbitrage is buying service from Fiverr on lower price and selling on Upwork at higher price. For instance, go to Upwork. There is a Upwork catalog function. So what you have to do is you have to open Upwork, and here search for, let's say, YouTube thumbnails. So you can see people here are selling for $15, $12, $12, $12, $20, 15, 15. And you can get the same service here for $5, $10. Also there is a lady also selling for 20, but there is a guy who's selling for $5, $10, $5. So what you are going to do is you are going to buy from here and sell it on Upwork. Again, this is not only the place you can do. You can sell it on any website you like. I just gave you an example of doing arbitrage, but there are hundreds of websites. Even you can sell on Facebook groups, even you can sell to your relatives. There is no limit, and this can bring a good amount of revenue, and it is a very good method because it does not require any skill from you or any knowledge of any skill, because you are selling someone else service, and what you are doing is you are just doing trading and earning through it. So these were the 5 ways which I said through which you can earn from Fiverr $1,000 or more a month without requiring any professional knowledge or professional skill. In my opinion, if you focus on these things, you can earn a huge amount of money. So best of luck, and let me tell you one thing, that don't be a watcher. Now you have to take an action. So now go and take an action, and you will see that these methods really work, because it is working for other people. If something is working for other people, definitely it can work for you as well. So good luck with it, and thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you, and bye bye.